for your homework assignment tonight, you're going to be working on what is called orthographic matching. And it's a fun little exercise, kind of a seek and find situation, so don't let this intimidate you. These lines over here are meant for single stroke vertical Gothic numbering. You don't have to do that. As long as I can read it and it is neat, then it's okay. But don't use pen. I'm only going to use pen today on my example because I want you to see what I'm writing. So I'm going to do part of this first one with you. So first of all, you have three columns, your top, front, and side view. So this is our top, our front, and our right side view. Okay. It's important that you make sure that you are writing your numbers in the correct columns, and don't do that goofy switch swatch, flipping arrow thing. It just looks ridiculous. Plus, show that you have a little bit of consideration for your homework assignments and that you take the time to do it correctly. So what you're going to be doing is, you see these letters A, B, C, D, E. Okay, those letters are also represented on this isometric. And what they want you to do take the view on the isometric, so letter A, and you're going to find either the surface or the edge line that corresponds with that letter. Okay, so for letter A, if I'm looking straight down on this view, it's all the way to the right of my object, and yes, I would see a flat plane on the top view representing that surface. And that number that represents A is 15. So I'm going to very neatly write 15. Okay. On the front view, I wouldn't be able to see that surface, but I would see an edge line. So I see this number 8 that's pointing to this edge line. So I would neatly write the number 8. And then finally, on the right side view, okay, I have a lot of numbers going on here. It's all the way to the bottom, and it is the longest surface. So I'm going to look, I see these numbers are all pointing to edges. This one's pointing to a surface, so my side number is 22. Okay. I do want to point out in this surface right here, we have two numbers. We have 24 and 21. And the 21 is kind of dotted, and that's their way of doing kind of a hidden line situation. And that means that from the side view, this surface for 21 is not going to be seen as an edge. It won't be seen at all. Okay, 24 would be seen because it's a solid number. So that's what that means. When you're filling this out, each number is only used once, but there are 3 exercises. Okay, and most important, don't forget to put your name on it. I don't know who you are unless you tell me.